Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download InShot on PC and laptop. So to begin, InShot is a video editing software where you can edit videos for free with very high quality. Now as you can see, the application I have opened is the BlueStacks apps player. If you want to know how to download this app, then be sure to check our previous videos. Anyways, to begin, what we're going to do is open our BlueStacks, and we want to make sure a few settings are ticked off. We're going to go to settings, and as soon as it loads, so now that it has loaded, first off, performance, we want to make sure it's high on 4 cores. Next up, the memory allocation, make sure it's high, and performance mode is high. Frame rate, make sure it's maximum. Enable high frame rate on, and now we can turn it to your monitor's refresh rate. For me, that's going to be 144. So next up, VSync turn off and display FPS during gameplay turn on. We're going to save changes, and we're going to press on restart now. From there, we're going to open up the settings once again, and if you give it a second, there we go. So now we're going to go to display, and I suggest you choose either 1600 by 900 or 1280 by 720 on low-end PC. If you're high-end, just put 1920 by 1080. Pixels density, this is your DPI, keep it normal. Mouse cursor style, you can change it depending on what you want. So this is the only main setting we wanted. Next up, graphics, make sure it's on DirectX or Vulkan. And these you don't have to touch. And that's basically it. From there, we can close out. We're going to open up the Play Store, and it should load us in. We have to sign in. And once it is signing in, once it's done signing in, yes, we have to sign in with Google. So I'm going to sign in with Google. Wait, I forgot the password to this account. Okay, so I'm going to sign in real quick. As you can see, I'm logged in officially. I simply press on I agree, and we should be logged in into the Play Store. If you do have a previous Google Play Store account, then you can simply log into that so you can have all of the stuff that your account had on your phone. From there, we're going to go to search for apps and games, and we're going to be writing InShot, and this is the video editor, so we're simply going to press on install, and it should download it right and easily for us. As you can see, it's downloading, only 46 megabytes. Okay, so now that it's downloaded, I'm going to press on the open button, and it should open up InShot Video Editor and Maker. So as you can see, that's how to download InShot. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.